Hello, welcome back. Keith Fraser here, and good to see you all again, and thanks for coming back. Again, looking to develop that theme around wanting more of you to be you, and today is the letter O. And as you quite rightly remember, O is around optimism. Optimism again is another one of those overused and perhaps underused words for some people. But I think before I go into what I want to talk about, I just want to quickly share with you what it means. And it's about being hopeful and confident about the future. Now, being hopeful and confident about the future is one of those key underpinning things I think that we all need to have. The reason why is if we're not, that holds us back. Our own thoughts around what's going to happen can hold us back. We create barriers in ourselves around our ability to do, our ability to achieve. We create barriers in ourselves around people wanting to be with us. We create barriers in ourselves around companies wanting to employ us. We create barriers in ourselves around our ability to get the next job or somebody wanting to promote us. How many times have you worked alongside people or been in a queue alongside somebody, or been with friends, and they've not been optimistic about the future? And what impact has that had on your opinion of you? And what impact has that had on your opinion of wanting to be around them? Optimism is key in relation to you getting on. Remember, it's around being hopeful and confident around the future. I'll develop that in more detail later on, but if you've liked what you've heard, a little bit of a pun here, be optimistic, and I'll see you soon. Press the like button, subscribe.